of over 3 hours. Let's start off our conversation. Joining me on the telecast are my panelists. I first start off this conversation with Sudhanshu Mani. Sudhanshu, this is an architectural marvel and it has taken a significant duration of time to fulfill this project. If you could shed light into what all complications and complexities a project of such stature involves.
Yeah, you are right. It has.
यहाँ से left.
Hello.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. So as you rightly said, this has taken a lot of time. Of course, there were major contributions. You know, this is passing through an area where two plates collide. You know, the Himalayan terrain that we have there, that had its own challenges. There are three marvels and many more in this route. One is, of course, the tallest rail bridge you were talking about, the Chenab Bridge. Then there is the tallest rail cable stayed bridge, Anji Khan. And 90% of the track between Jammu to Banial is in tunnels. So there was a huge tunneling work required. So as you said, that because of these challenges, this has taken a lot of time, but better late than never. There are two important things that I want to say about this. One, this connection of the valley with rest of the country. There were two areas in the country which were not readily connected by rail with rest of the country, Northeast and Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir. This government has not only done it for Northeast, more importantly for Kashmir now, for a project which has been on for some time. But this is true logistics, strategic in connection of the valley with the country, that's one. And number two, this was to be inaugurated in April because of the tragic Pahalgam incident. This was something which had to be postponed. But it's very good that the government has decided to do it now, because it is also sending a message. It is sending a message that, well, we can delay things like this a little bit, but Kashmir is very much a part of India. And by building this track, a strong, and that too, just after this skirmish we had with Pakistan so quickly, sends a message that India is determined to connect Jammu and Kashmir in a true emotional and strategic integration with the rest of the country.
Rajan Khanna, the message that stands out loud and clear